Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. As you know, myself Yogen Singh, and I am here with a video lesson for class 10th. But before starting a class, I will start with a question. What is the importance of a moment in our life? Several of you will answer that what is the importance of a moment? No, because a moment is a moment. How it can change our life. But a student, a moment can prove the biggest and most important time of our life. How? Because suppose we are thinking something else. Sometimes negative thoughts are coming into our mind. And it is the game of a moment. If our process of thinking being changed, that moment is quite important. Because that moment is taking us to a positive attitude. A racer is running in the race and about to complete. He saw his opponent is about to cross him. At that moment, to see him, though he was running, but to see him, a new enforcement came in him. No, I have to beat him. And what it did? This moment made him to run more fastly, and within few minutes he was the winner. A climber who is climbing, just about to reach the height. He was just about to touch the top, but all his strength exhausted him. He is strongly willing to come down. No, I'm not able. Just then, he remembered some important word. And that words, no, never move back, always move forward. And what happened? Within half hour, he is on the top of the world. So this moment, this critical moment, is the moment that decides about our life. So student, today we are also going to discuss a poem that tells us how important of a moment is. Yes, I know you guess rightly. I'm going to start here the poem written by famous American poet Robert Frost, Dust of Snow. And the line are, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of its snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of moods and saved some part of a day I had grieved. As for the literary explanation of your poem, simply it was written that the poet was standing near a hemlock tree. Under the hemlock tree, a crow comes, sit on the branches of the tree, and he shook himself, maybe to dry, and some snow falls upon the poet. But poet accepted that this small dust or snow falling upon his body had changed thought over his mind and saved his day that he had already decided to destroy. But now coming to the symbolical meaning of these lines, here poet means to say that yes, each of us is fighting on different situations, and all these situations sometimes gives us negative thoughts. And these negative thoughts change our mood. We are full of distraction. we are full of distress, we don't wish to do anything, negative thoughts comes into us. But just then, it may not be falling of the snow like Robert Frost. It may be some beautiful thing that you see, and you know, nature always gives us peace. Just then your mind gets silent and you start to think over some other things and your mood changed. It saved you. So here I mean to say that small moments, small turns, small steps can make a big change in our life. Poet accepted himself that yes, I was standing near a hemlock tree. You know what is hemlock? A poisonous tree, who is quite poisonous. And it is a symbolic meaning. It shows that he was very disappointed. He just want to end his life. But the small incidents, and that was not deliberately, that was not intentionally, a small incidents of nature, that the crow comes, sit on the tree branch and try to soak. And some small drops of snow falls upon him. And you know, as soon as the drop falls upon his body, it gives a pleasure to him. And this pleasure let him forget what was going on in his life. He started to imagine differently. He started to think, oh, how beautiful the nature is. How much good things we are getting from nature. And in this way, the thought process that was going on in poet's mind, it has totally changed. And this changing in thought process has changed the atmosphere of the day. Because it was quite gloomy, quite disappointed. Poet had accepted that he has already ruined his day. Means, it seems to him that now my day is not worthwhile to me. But this change of his mind, of his thought process, let him accept each and everything. Because world is not only full of disappointment, it is also full of new hopes. It is full of happiness. There is not only sorrows in our life, there are also happinesses. And that's why it saved the poet. In other words, I mean to say that our thought process, our thinking can change on small moments. So here a question also raises that how these small changes can change our life. Small changes can make a big difference in our life. For example, someone is very rude. He don't want to do any good for anyone. But just then he saw that an old person is on the road and he was trying to cross, but just then a vehicle comes. And that bad person who had no good in his mind saw it, and momentary a thought came into his mind. But why not I save him? Oh, that person is going to die. He saved him. And you know the importance of this moment? The person whom we are assuming, who himself assumed himself as a bad person. But what he did? He saved a human being. He became a philanthropist from a wicked creature. And such thought process had changed our life also. So that's why I request all of my students, please respect each and every moment of your life. Respect your nature. And respect also good poetry. Because all these things can change. They can bring a big change in your life. Every moment that you are living with your friends, that you are spending with books, that you are spending in the shelter of a nature or in lap of nature, enjoy them. Because these exotic moments can bring a big change in your life. So that's why respect each and every moment of your life. That's all for this poem, and I hope all you enjoy this poem. Again, I am reciting it. The way a crow shook down on me, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. In this poem, the poet has given lovely picture. His imagery is on work. He has used the rhyming word like crow, snow, me, tree, heart, part, mood, rude, and it is also a poem that tells us about the nature love of Robert Frost, and it is also famous for symbolical meaning of it, that each and every moment of our life is important for us because they can bring a big change in our life. Thank you. That's all.